can I just say that I am so proud of my church. Could you all stand, please, whoever is our church family? All those let me just say that they are the people that are faithfully standing with me in the work in Bradford. And I'm so grateful for each and every one of us. One of us is missing here, where there is Brother Victor. And please do come forward. And these are the people that are just every Sunday, they look forward to coming. And I am blessed by them, and I'm sure they are blessed by it. Anything special happened?
Well, after this, Pastor G, you made me mute because you said all the words that I needed to say. Well, I just want to take a moment, and as you can see, we are deacons, and I do want to call upon stage, Pastor G and Sister Urfa. And I also want to call Sister Namita. Can you come up? And my wife and Brother Sunny. So we are the ones that have our spouses with us. So before we can present something to Pastor, I want the whole church to come. I just don't want, just the deacons. So I want the church, our whole church, to come as well. Please do come forward. And Pastor Ji, we have something that we want to give you.
Members and please सब खड़े आए, सब आए आगे आए.
Everyone can go in the back, participate.
सारे बच्चे भी जितने बच्चे मौजूद हैं वो सारे बच्चे आगे आ जाएं.
I'm sure as you can see, we are growing, so we're running out of space. And when we come next year, probably we have to line up outside to see what's going on next year. So this is the whole church, as you can see. This is our church family, and we are very thankful to Pastor G. And this is, along with the other presents, this is just a tablet we made, and we appreciate, the whole church appreciates. It's not the tablet of 10 Commandments, it's just the 10 things that we appreciate our pastor with. Let me have my glasses on so I can read. So Pastor G, we just thank you for your dedication. We thank you for the service to the church, sermons you preach, prayers you lift up, leadership, seeds you plant, and patience, encouragement, and being a shepherd, and showing Christ to us the way, the answer. Thank you, Pastor. This is the whole church once again.
आपकी इतनी सारी खिदमत के बदले में हम सिर्फ आपके लिए इतना कह सकते हैं कि हम सब each one of us हम आपके बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं. हम बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं कि आपने जहाँ पे जब हमारे पास we don't have any families around, but Pastor G and Sister Urfa, they work as a family for us.
Yeah,
Both of them.
I want to add.
Yes, do that. Do that.
We have appreciated Pastor Nathan so much, but we don't want to forget Mrs. Nathan because she is the backbone.
Definitely, she's the backbone.
It's her dedication, her timeless effort, and bringing each and everybody together. It's her. I think backbone is Mrs. Nathan.
Thank you, sir.
Always.
Sleepless nights, chasing everyone's, arranging everything means हम लोगों की कैरल सर्विस जो है नवंबर से स्टार्ट हो गई थी और हर एक कैरल को कामयाब बनाने में सिर्फ सिस्टर उर्फा का हाथ है. हम सिर्फ पीछे थे लेकिन सिस्टर उर्फा है जिन्होंने सारी चीजों को मैनेज किया.
Token of appreciation from the whole church.
Thank you very much.
वो जाते हैं ना गाँव में या शहरों में जब हम अपने घर वालों के लिए बिजनेस लेके जाते हैं, अपने बहन भाइयों के लिए लेके जाते हैं, तो ये हमारे वो बहन भाई हैं जो जिनके वसीला से हम लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं और ये हम सब बहन भाइयों की वजह से इन दोनों के लिए पूरी फैमिली के लिए होगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.